Class, good morning, class 12C. So today I will discuss question number 4. So the question number 4 is very different question from other questions. So I will discuss today question number 4. The question number 4 is A, B were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3 is to 2. A and B were partners 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So the profit sharing ratio of A and B were 3 is to 2 means 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Clear? So now the next thing, they admitted C. They admitted C for 1 second share. So the new partner named C for 1 second share. Now the next thing, the most important line, they admitted C into partnership giving 1 by second share in profits which he acquires from A and B in the ratio of 3 is to 1. Most important line, which he acquires from A and B in the ratio of 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Clear? The most important line in this question, which he acquires from A and B in the ratio of 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. So first you have to write fast. C acquires 1 by second. C acquires 1 by second in the ratio of 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. This means so you have to write fast, which he acquires from A and B in the ratio of 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. It means C acquires 1 by second. C का रेशियो कितना है 1 by second, और वो उसको in the ratio C acquires 1 by second in the ratio of 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. ये जो 1 by second है वो C ले रहा है 3 by 4 A से, और C ले रहा है 3 by 4 और C ले रहा है 1 by 4 B से. क्लियर? 3 by 4 A से 1 by 4 B से. सो क्वेश्चन कैसे बनेगा? C gets from A 1 by second of 3 by 4. C gets from B 1 by second of 1 by 4. Clear? So 3 1 जा 3, 4 2 जा 1 and 8. So जब C gets from A 3 by 8, C gets from B 1 by 8. So A का न्यू शेयर यानी A ने 3 by 8 C को दिया 1 by 8. C gets from A. It means A ने C को 3 by 8 दिया. C gets from B 1 by 8 शेयर B ने C को दिया. क्लियर? A ने C को दिया, B ने C को दिया. तो जब A ने C को दिया 3 by 8 तो उसके रेशियो में से माइनस होना चाहिए. B ने C को दिया 1 by 8 तो ये भी उसके रेशियो में माइनस होना चाहिए. The new ratio of Mr. A, old ratio, माइनस A ने कितना दे दिया 3 by 8. 3 by 5 minus 3 by 8. क्लियर? सो एलसीएम निकालो. 40 5 8 जा 40, 8 3 जा 24, 8 5 जा 40, 5 3 जा 50. सो A का जो न्यू रेशियो आ जाएगा वो कितना आएगा 9 by 40. क्लियर? B का रेशियो देखो, B का न्यू रेशियो, ठीक, B का ओल्ड रेशियो 2 by 5 माइनस कितना उसने दे दिया C को 1 by तो कितना हो जाएगा 40 एलसीएम 5 8 जा 40 8 2 जा 16 8 5 जा 45 16 में से 5 गया तो टोटल आ जाएगा 11/40. You know very well the ratio of C is 1/2. Clear? So the ratio of C is 1/2. The new profit sharing ratio of of A, B and C. A का शेयर कितना है 9/40. B का रेशियो कितना है 11/40. C का रेशियो 1/2. ऐसा क्या करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाए 20 से मल्टीपल कर तो जो C का रेशियो होगा 20/40. सो A B C ये इसका आंसर होगा 9:11:20. Clear? 9:11:20. So you have to write fast. This is a very important thing which requires from A and B in the ratio of 3/4 and 1/4. Clear? So you have to write fast.